Hello friends, this is Manvi. Today we make a desk organizer with the help of paper. So let's start. Material required is colored sheet, white paper, scissor, Fevicol. First we take the colored sheet. It is 10 into 10 centimeter. Let's fold it. Open it. Fold the corners. Fold the both sides. It will look like this. Turn it. Fold it. Open it. It will look like this. Make 5 more. I have taken a pattern of red and orange. You can take any color of your choice. Now let's paste it. Now we make the base with the help of white paper. Draw the outline. Cut it. Now we will paste it. Let it dry for a few minutes. It is pasted, so it is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and videos.